Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of God, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Honorable Chief Minister of Kerala, Excellencies, dignitaries, my brothers and sisters. ഞങ്ങൾ 220 ആളുകളെയാണ് ക്ഷണിച്ചത്. പക്ഷേ കൂടി വന്നപ്പോൾ ആൾക്കാർ കൂടി. സ്ഥല സൗകര്യത്തിൻ്റെ പ്രശ്നം ക്ഷമിക്കണം. എല്ലാവരെയും നേരിട്ട് ഓരോ സ്ഥലത്ത് ശരിക്കിരുത്താൻ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുണ്ടായി. ആയതുകൊണ്ട് അതിന് ക്ഷമ ചോദിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ ആരംഭിക്കട്ടെ. സ്വാമി വിവേകാനന്ദ once said, "Take risks in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you fail, you can guide." സ്വാമി വിവേകാനന്ദൻ ഒരിക്കൽ പറഞ്ഞു, നിങ്ങളുടെ ജീവിതത്തിൽ റിസ്ക് എടുക്കുക. നിങ്ങൾ വിജയിച്ചാൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നയിക്കാനാകും. നിങ്ങൾ തോറ്റാൽ ആ തോൽവിയിൽ നിന്ന് പാഠം ഉൾക്കൊണ്ടുകൊണ്ട് മറ്റുള്ളവരെ വിജയത്തിലേക്ക് നയിക്കാൻ സാധിക്കും. This is a dream project for me and our group in this beautiful capital city of Thiruvananthapuram. Kerala is my home state, and it is my duty and responsibility to invest in my home state first, then in any other states in India. Today, it is my task to welcome every one of you to this function. I will try to finish 6 to 7 minutes. കേരളത്തിലെ വലിയൊരു വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ വിചക്ഷകനായിരുന്ന മഹാനായ പ്രഗത്ഭനായ ചിന്തകൻ വാഗ്മി മരണപ്പെട്ടുപോയ സുകുമാർ അഴീക്കോട് സാർ എന്നോട് ഒരിക്കൽ പറഞ്ഞു, ഞങ്ങൾ അദ്ദേഹവുമായിട്ട് ഒരുപാട് വേദികൾ പങ്കിട്ടുകൊണ്ട്, യൂസഫ് അലി ഞാനിങ്ങനെ ക്ഷീണിച്ചു വരുന്നത് സ്വാഗതപ്രസംഗം കേട്ടുകൊണ്ടാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അത്രയും നീട്ടി പറയുന്നില്ല, ഞാൻ 6 മിനിറ്റ് കൊണ്ട് അവസാനിപ്പിക്കാം. Our Honorable Chief Minister of Kerala, taking untiring great steps for the development of Kerala. Let me welcome Sri Pinarayi Vijayan, Honorable Chief Minister of Kerala, who is here with us to inaugurate the shopping mall. It is the history of Kerala that for any development there is consensus among political leaders. A perfect example is Cochin International Airport, in which I am also board member. The project was started by late Sri K. Karunakarji, former Chief Minister of Kerala, and inaugurated when late Sri E. K. Nayanar was Chief Minister of Kerala. Today, I am very happy to welcome Sri V. D. Sadishan, Honorable Leader of Opposition, to preside over this function. United Arab Emirates is a very important country to India. About 35 lakhs, 35 laksham Indians, including their families, are living peacefully and harmoniously with tolerance, without any difference of religion, caste, creed in United Arab Emirates. India and UAE are among each other's top trading partners, and UAE is one of the largest investors in India. The whole world knows the personal relationship between Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, and UAE leadership. I am staying in the UAE for the past 47 years. My children, sons-in-law, and grandchildren are also staying there. I still remember with gratitude the telephonic call of Vice President and Prime Minister of UAE and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, asking about my health when I met an helicopter accident in Kerala 8 months before. Also, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, our beloved Deputy Supreme Commander of UAE Armed Forces and Crown Prince, also called me to find about my health. And he made all the arrangements to go back to Abu Dhabi the same day. Thank you to His Highness. God protected me from this accident. Thank you very much for all prayers. We are very happy to welcome His Excellency Dr. Tani Ahmad Zayudi, UAE's Minister for Foreign Trade, as our chief guest to this function. Let me also welcome His Excellency Ahmad Al-Banna, Dynamic Ambassador of UAE to India, and the accompanying delegation of the diplomats from UAE Embassy and consulates who are participating in this function. I welcome Sri G.R. Anil, Minister for Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs, Government of Kerala, and Minister from Thiruvananthapuram district as our guest of honor to this function. Our Honorable Minister Muralidharan is a whip in the Parliament, and he called me yesterday evening that he couldn't attend, but he sent a message. Thank you very much. It is an honor that Dr. Shashi Tharoor, an orator, a philosopher, a teacher, member of Parliament, who is representing Thiruvananthapuram constituency here with us. As a member of Parliament from Thiruvananthapuram, Parliament constituency, where this shopping mall is situated, Sri Shashi Tharoor always inquires about the progress of this project. He has always been greatly helpful to us. Let me welcome Dr. Shashi Tharoor, Member of Parliament, as our guest of honor to this function. I am very happy to have presence of Sri Umman Chandi, former Chief Minister of Kerala. I have had privilege to sit in many boards chaired by our former Chief Minister. Let me take this opportunity to welcome Sri Umman Chandi as our guest of honor to this function. I am very happy that Sri P.K. Kunyalikudu Sahib, Honorable Deputy Leader of Opposition, is here with us. We have maintained our friendship and brotherly relationship throughout the years with power or without power. Let me take this opportunity to welcome Sri P.K. Kunyalikudu Sahib as our guest of honor to this function. I remember with gratitude late K.M. Mani sir, who always treated me like a brother and attended all my previous functions. Let me welcome his son Sri Jose K. Mani, Member of Parliament, as our guest of honor to this function. I am very happy to have my brother Ramesh Chennithala, Member of Legislative Assembly, here with us, a former Home Minister and Leader of Opposition, who was also present at the time of the foundation stone laying ceremony of this project. Let me take this opportunity to welcome Sri Ramesh Chennithala as our guest of honor. Sri Kadakambally Surendran MLA and former Minister represents this constituency where this shopping mall is situated. He has always been very supportive to us. Let me take this opportunity to welcome Sri Kadakambally Surendran MLA as our guest of honor to this function. Let me welcome Sri D.G. Kumaran, Councillor of Karikagam Ward, in which this shopping mall is situated. In democracy, people elected representatives are the top in protocol. Thank you very much, Mr. G. Kumaran, Councillor of this ward. India is the largest democracy in the world, and judiciary is the backbone of democracy. Let me welcome the honorable judges and lawyers attending this function. My friend from film industry, my brother, film star Mammootty, great artist whom I call Mamukka, is here. I welcome my very dear brother Mamukka. Royal family members from Travancore royal family are attending this function. Thank you very much. I welcome other ministers, members of parliament, members of legislative assembly, diplomats from different embassies, consulate, political leaders from different parties, government chief secretary, DGP, Kerala, chief secretary, other secretaries and directors in the government, senior and junior police officers, other government officials to this function. We are greatly honored to have presence of prominent religious heads, including Maulavi, including Swamiji, including our beloved Orthodox Bishop and Swamijis from Shivagiri. A lot of religious leaders are here, and thank you very much for their gracious presence, including our Honorable Bishop. We are happy to have with us prominent journalists and members of print and visual media. Media and press are part of our democracy and the face of our country, and I welcome them to this function. Many of my friends and associates from business community are here today. I welcome them to this function. Dr. Azad Moopen, Mr. Gulfar Muhammad Ali, K. Muralidharan, Muhammad Qasim, and Raghuchandran Nair, Chamber TV. He is very helpful to us, Chamber of Commerce President, MP Ahmad Malabar, Abdullah Kunya Sahib Yanapaya, and George Jacob Muthoot, and a lot of my business associates are here, and thank you very much for their attendance. My senior and junior colleagues from our group in India and abroad have joined me today. Also, many of our colleagues are virtually participating in this function from different parts of the world, including Middle East, Far East, US, UK, Australia, and Africa. I welcome them all to this function. And our CEO, Mr. Saifi, and his team, our CFO, Nambudiri, our COO, Salim, and our Director, Audit, Mr. Prasad, and Santosh Nair, all are here, and thank you very much for their participation. I'm also happy that my family members are here with me, my brother Ashraf and family, my wife, my daughter, my daughter Shifa, my sons-in-law, my sons-in-law Adib Ahmed, CEO Lulu Financial, Sharon, CEO Sands, and my grandchildren are here with me. My cousin brothers Salim and Muhammad Altaf, directors here. Another cousin, Mr. Asif and Shanawaz are here. They all join me to welcoming you to this function. For the past 5 years, thousands of employees have worked hard with the dedication and successfully complete this project under the able leadership of my dear M.A. Nishat, our director, Lulu India, and my very dear Joy Sadanandan Nair, our regional director, Thiruvananthapuram. I also welcome Shobha developers and other contractors who have put great efforts, attention to make the project reality. And my very dear friend, architect of this project, D.A., is here. He is from Italy. Please, just I want to introduce you to. 1 second. You can look there. Look there, sir. He is the architect of this project. Okay. Indian Green Building Council, IGBC, has given gold level green certification for our green initiative in this shopping mall. We are thankful to the council and Sri Suresh, the chairman, whom I know for the past many years. He was chairman at CO also. I welcome him to this function. I would also like to name many more in the political, social, religious, diplomatic, including Susapa Kyandirmeni, diplomatic and business circles. But due to the lack of time, I am unable to mention their names. Many of our bankers from India and abroad are here with us, and I welcome them also. So I am unable to mention their names here. Please excuse me. I would like to say that we are grateful to every one of you for your good wishes, support and prayers, and we are greatly value your presence. And I once again welcome each and every one of you to this function. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.